Hey guys, if your TikTok account settings is not showing, let's fix it. So to start, go ahead and open TikTok app. Now make sure you're opening the right place. So sometimes it's just navigation confusion. So open TikTok, go to your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select settings and privacy. So if you don't see the three lines icon at all, that points to a deeper issue. Next is to update the app. So close TikTok app and go to Play Store or App Store and go ahead and search for TikTok, open it, and tap on Update. So TikTok rolls out features gradually, so outdated apps often miss menus. Next is to clear cache or app data. So corrupted cache can make menus disappear. So open TikTok, go to the three lines at the top right, go to settings and privacy, then scroll down to free up space and clear cache. So click on clear once more, and that's it. So same steps if you're using Android phone. Now another thing you can do is to close TikTok app and go to settings, then go to general, go to iPhone storage, look for TikTok and click on offload app. Click offload app once more and click reinstall app. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Now once this is done, open TikTok again and see if that works. Now, if all those steps still doesn't work, you can go ahead and uninstall TikTok. You can restart your phone and reinstall from the store. So this clears deeper glitches. Next, you can also open TikTok, go to your profile, go to the three lines at the top right, go to settings and privacy, then scroll down to log out. So click on that, click on log out, and log back in. Then check if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.